I guess, yeah. That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mom.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday, and today is what? Saturday, June 10th. Today is the 10th, and I just have, today it's just gonna be like a chill little Saturday. I have a few errands to run. I have to go to Target, pick up some essentials, and I have to go, and today we are also looking at some apartments. So I know I do this like pretty often, but this is what I usually do on a Saturday if I have like any plans or anything like that. So if you're new here, hey, I'm sorry, and if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share. So right now, like I said, what time is it? It's 8:43. My boyfriend went to the barbershop, and I have to go trail him to the car dealership because he has to drop his car off to get maintenance done or whatever the case may be. So we're gonna go do that. Well, I have to go do that, and then we have to go to the bank every day. I mean, Saturday rituals, you guys know that. We have to go to the bank, and then we are like gonna get like maybe like some breakfast or some coffee from Starbucks or something, and then we are gonna go to the apartments. Now they don't open till 10, which I'm pretty sure we'll be done by everything by 10, so we could just go there and just view them really quickly. So yeah, you guys, I think it's just gonna be just this day, a Saturday vlog. Tomorrow I'm not doing anything, I'm relaxing. So I mean, that's, I know you guys don't want to see me cleaning or anything like that because you guys see that all the time. So let me show you guys my outfit. So the shirt is from H&M. The shorts are also from H&M. Y'all, I got these shorts for $8.99. Like, I love the wash on them. Super cute. And this shirt was like $4. I have on my Gucci mini bag with my my Dunks, my Panda Dunks, my jewelry, just my basic gold and silver watch with my Pandora bracelet, and like this little bracelet I stole from my mama, and my diamond earrings. I don't have on a necklace because I just can't put on a necklace with nails. So, and my boyfriend's not here, so he can't put it on. So yeah, y'all, I'm looking real cute. It's real simple today. I will be taking out my braids soon because at the end of this month we have a wedding to go to in Kansas City, and I need some fresh braids. So I will be taking these down probably the weekend after next because I'm not gonna be busy. Next weekend is Father's Day, so I'm gonna be spending some time with my dad. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and head out because I'm supposed to be there by 9. It's 8:45. Takes me about 15 minutes to get there. So I'm finna head out, and I will see y'all in a little while once we start, you know, doing what we do. Okay, what's up, y'all? So I think I left my battery charger and my other battery in Branson because I can't find it. Like, I was looking for it, and it's not hard to miss. It's like a big gray box that has to be plugged up, and I can't find it. So I called the hotel, and they told me to call back in like 20 minutes while they look through the lost and found to see if they find it, which, you know, that would kind of be pointless, you know. But if it's not there, which I'm pretty sure it probably is, and if I can, I'm gonna just have to order another one. And my battery is low on this battery, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm not gonna let that ruin my day. So if I need to record on my phone, and if the quality changed, y'all know why. So I'm pulling up to trail my boyfriend at the barbershop, and then we're gonna go get some Starbucks. And yeah, there's actually a Dunkin' right here. Should I get Dunkin'? No, because I don't like Dunkin's food. Do you guys like Dunkin's food? Their food is like so freaking dry, and I don't like that. and it's just not giving. So I'm not gonna use up all my battery, which is me running my mouth. So I will see y'all in a little while.
One of these ones. It's so good. It's like the fat bombs. But I saw another one on the other aisle that I just let's get these potty and fill them in. They realize it's
Garrett's tried to quit on me a couple times.
Yeah, hurry, she's slow.
These are 10. Like that one's dirty.
The little one is $17 and the big one's $20. And it's so much. How much should we go? It's actually $20. Why don't I wait and see if I'm even at the gift store? Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna go. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go.
Okay guys, so I'm back at home. I literally can't find my battery charger. I don't know where else it could be. Like, I really don't know. But it's starting to like really make me mad. So I'm gonna show you what I got from Target. I just got a few essentials, the things that I really needed. So I seen this in the dollar section. I need a calendar. I'll probably put this like right above my desk, or maybe even on my desk. I really don't know, but I won't be using it till August because that's when it starts. It was $5, y'all, in the dollar section, like when you walk in. So I got this planner. I am trying some new feminine wash wipes, whatever the case may be. I'm trying this brand. I have been hearing a lot of good reviews about these brands. So I got the wipes and I got the wash. I usually use the L brand. I think that's what it's called. You guys have seen it multiple times. I usually use that, but I wanted to try this because I keep seeing it. So this, and then the last two things was my deodorant, of course, and my Dr. Bronner soap. I use this soap every day, twice a day. Like, it just keeps me really, like, it like cleans me really well. So I use this first when I shower, then I go in with a bar soap, and then the last thing that I use is my feminine wash, or whatever feminine wash that I have. So yeah, you guys, it is currently it's 2:10, and we just got home, and I just tried to look for my thing, but I can't find it, y'all. I really don't know where else it could be. It could only be in two other spots, which was my suitcase and the black bag that I use to like carry all my stuff in, and I don't know where it's at. So at this point I have to buy a new one because I really don't have time to keep looking for it, because I'm trying to get this content out for y'all. So yeah, so I don't know if we're gonna do anything for the rest of the day. We're just gonna chill and see, you know, what the day brings. We might go to the pool, I don't know, but it's supposed to rain today, even though it don't look like it. It says it's supposed to start raining at 5. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I will see y'all in a little while. I'm probably gonna pick up around the house. I know y'all don't want to see that, but I need to do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably do that in here, pick up in here. And yeah, so I'll see y'all later. You guys, so we are making the grinder sandwich. This is what we're having for dinner. If I'm speaking super low, sorry. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Let me show y'all what we put it on them. This is the mixture. I mixed it up. I put it in the refrigerator to get it cold. Now we're gonna put it on the sandwich. On my side. Okay guys, so that is the end of this vlog. I know it was a real short vlog. Don't mind my hair. It's been a kind of chill day, but I just wanted to vlog it for you guys, just to see what I do on a chill Saturday. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram and my TikTok. Don't forget, we have a lot of new things coming, so make sure you guys are tuned in, and I will see y'all in the next video.